here to tell you a quick story about Alzheimer's disease. Unfortunately, it's a term that many of us have heard and far too many of us are familiar with. What we've seen over the last several decades is, unfortunately, many failed clinical attempts to develop a disease-modifying agent that can actually slow or stop the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Patients and their families have been relegated to symptomatic management and not much else. Over the last couple years, that has begun to change. With the approval of Aduhelm, as well as Leqembi, we now have 2 disease-modifying treatments that are available for these patients. Leqembi has even been shown to actually slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease. While this is very exciting, there is one glaring truth that has been revealed. The healthcare system is simply not ready to deliver the hope that these new treatments bring. Healthcare readiness is something that we've heard a lot about in the past, especially when we're thinking about launching a new pharmaceutical product into a market. You have to make sure that you have all of your stakeholders aligned. Payers, to ensure you have access, healthcare providers who are comfortable and confident in diagnosing and prescribing new treatments, as well as patients and their families feeling supported and having the ancillary services that they need to get treatment and to stay on treatment. What we've come to realize is that the broad alignment needed in order for confident diagnosis and treatment initiation hasn't quite come up yet. Part of that reason is because there are 2 very important dynamics at play. One, a shortage in neurologists and doctors who specialize in Alzheimer's disease. Second, these treatments are for early Alzheimer's disease or mild cognitive impairment. That requires early, confident diagnosing. And if we wait too long for a diagnosis, by the time it's made, that precious window of time is lost for the patient. So we need to activate a much broader prescriber base in order to ensure that these products can impact as many patients as possible. There are several other factors that are at play here and several other levers that can be pulled across the healthcare system to move us towards readiness. Thankfully, the story doesn't stop with "we're not ready." It continues and pushes forward into how we can get there. And I hope you enjoy this look at exactly how we propose to do that.